Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn Maths 5th Standard, Term 3, Unit 4, Algebra. So this is a new topic in 5th Standard. So let us go into the lesson. So it is going to be really interesting for you. So what is algebra? Do you know what is algebra? So the word is something different. Yeah. So algebra is nothing but it consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and solve problems. Algebra consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and solve problems. So algebra is nothing but it has numbers and letters to solve problems. Can you solve a problem with letters? Let us see this expression. Now, 5 plus 2 is, what is the value of 5 plus 2? It is 7. Now here, a plus 2 is equal to 7. A plus 2 is 7. Then we have to find the value of a. So, this unknown variable, this is called a variable. What is the name of this? This is variable. The letters that we use instead of numbers, these are called variable. So here we can find the value of a. So what will be added with 2 to get 7? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a is equal to 7 minus 2, it is 5. Therefore, the value of a is 5. So this is how we find the value of the unknown variable. That is algebra. It is used in our daily life in all our situations. Like what time do we cook and what time do we get ready to school. It is used in all our activities, daily activities. So algebra, it consists of numbers. We are going to play with numbers and letters. That is algebra. So here, we are going to learn what is equality and inequality. Equality and inequality. What is equality? So it deals with the sign, equal to sign. So let me take a number. 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. And 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So you can see the operation. What operation is here? It is addition, and here it is multiplication. So these two equations we can write. So both the answers are same. So we can write 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 into 2. Both the addition operation and multiplication operation are same. Both have the same answer. So this is equality. This is equality. So another equation, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So therefore 5 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4, because both the answers are same. So this is equality. So that is what they have given. What is equality? When we add, subtract, multiply or divide two numbers, the answer we get is always another number. For example, when we add 4 and 2, we get 6. Similarly, when we subtract 10 minus 4, we get 6. When we divide 12 divided by 2, we get 6, and 6 into 1 is 6. Here we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The way may be different, but the answer is same. So this mathematical operation on two numbers, we have obtained 10, number 10. So what are the pair of numbers for obtaining 10? 5 plus 5 is 10. 17 minus 7 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So arrangement of numbers like 5 plus 5, 17 minus 7, 5 into 2 and 20 divided by 2 are called expressions. So all these are called expressions or equation. So these expressions are equal to each other. An expression which are equal to each other are called an equality. So this is equality. Now in exercise 4.1 we have, using brackets, write 3 pairs of numbers whose sum is 12. Use them to write 3 equalities. So whose sum is 12 means we have to add the numbers. 3 pair of numbers. Exercise 4.1. First sum. You write 3 pairs of numbers whose sum is 12. So if its sum is 12, we have to add 2 numbers, that is 12. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Next one is equal to 12. Next is 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Next, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So how will you write this? So we are going to write this expression as 10 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 7 plus 5. This is the 3 pairs of equalities. So first one, using the brackets, write 3 pairs of numbers whose sum is 12. We have to add 2 numbers. If it is sum, we have to add them. So next one is second sum. Find 4 pair of numbers, one for each of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we are going to find 4 operations for the number 16. So when we add 2 numbers, we should get 16. When we multiply 2 numbers, we should get 16. When we divide 2 numbers, we should get 16. And when we subtract 2 numbers, we should get 16. So first one is, what can we write? 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Next, 22 minus 6 equal to 16. Next, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. And then 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Is it clear? So everything answer is 16. So there are 4 pairs. So 9 plus 7, write it in the bracket, is equal to 22 minus 6. And this is equal to 8 into 2. And this is also equal to 32 divided by 2. So this are the This is the equalities. So write the equalities for each of them. This is the equality for first one and this is for second one. Can you understand, children? Now let us learn what is inequality. So inequality deals with symbols. So inequality deals with symbols like not equal to or less than, greater than symbol, or less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So this is equality symbol is this two, equal, and here if you put a dash over there, that is unequal. Next one is less than. This is greater than. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are the symbols in inequality. So how can we write the expression in inequality? Let us see the book. So inequality, the value of the expression 6 plus 3 and 6 into 3 is 9 and 18. The two expressions are not equal. So these two expressions are not equal. 6 plus 3 and 6 into 3 have different answers. So they are not equal. So how to write this? If two expressions or numbers are not equal, one of them is greater or smaller than the other. To show greater than or less than, we use the symbols greater than symbol and this is less than symbol. This kind of representation is called inequality. So example for this inequality example, now 5 into 5 is equal to 25, whereas 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So how will you write this expression? What is the answer? 5 into 5 is 25, and here 5 plus 5 is 10. So here 25 is greater than 10. So here we can write 5 into 5 is greater than 5 plus 5. Is it clear, children? This is how we can write an expression. So another expression, 15 minus 2 and 15 plus 5. What is the answer? 15 minus 2 is 13 and 15 plus 5 is 20. So how will you write here? So this is 13 is less than 20. So this is how we write the expression. 15 minus 2 is less than 15 plus 5. Is it clear? So this is how you should know what is equality and what is inequality. So this is inequality. We use the symbol not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And here for equality we use the symbol equal to. Inequality we use not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is how we write the expression for equality and inequality. Is it clear, students?